Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Janetta if you are new here, and behind me is one very messy kitchen. It is time to deep clean and organize the whole kitchen. It's going to be a long one, so if you are into some cleaning motivation, definitely keep on watching. I have a lot of cleaning videos on my channel that I know you would enjoy, so join me here by subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are cleaning, let me know in the comments down below what you are tackling today. I cannot wait to see the after of this kitchen. So grab your coffee, turn up the volume, and let's get started. All right, you guys, there is so much to do in this kitchen. I really have my work cut out for me today. I'm starting off by unloading the dishwasher so that I can add in a new load. I feel like we've been running the dishwasher every day since quarantine. We've been trying to cook at home more to save some money and eat a little healthier, but man, so many dishes. Next, I'm moving to prep the oven with the Heavy Duty Easy Off. This stuff is seriously a game changer when it comes to removing stuck on food and grease. I'm applying an even coat and letting that sit for about 2 hours while I clean the rest of the kitchen. Moving on to the very cluttered refrigerator, which needed a complete reset, I'm taking out all of the old leftovers and anything that has expired. I've been noticing that we never eat all of the food we cook. There's always a little bit of food left over. There's always one meatball, a piece of chicken, or a small bowl of noodles that always gets left over and gets pushed to the back of our fridge, and then we completely forget about it. I'm removing all of the drawers and giving it a good scrub with some hot, soapy water. Also, while working out, I listened to a really good playlist that I created, so I'll have it linked down in the description. I like to listen to all different types of music, but this one is by far my favorite one for cleaning. One thing I'm really looking forward to when buying a house is getting a side-by-side refrigerator. Honestly, bending over all the time to get just everyday items in this normal refrigerator is such a pain. I cannot wait for the day. And also having a water filter on the outside of the refrigerator will be so nice because I drink so much water. Being an adult is just being excited about home appliances and lawnmowers and just random things that you wouldn't be excited for when you were much younger. We're almost done with the refrigerator, and honestly, just wiping down the shelves and cleaning out the drawers makes such a difference in how the refrigerator looks. It's just brighter, and then you realize how much space you actually do have when you get rid of all of the old and expired food.
Make it look so easy. 15 minutes, then you're breezing. Movies make it look so easy. Whoa. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine. Just some time off, we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong.
Okay, back to the stove. I'm removing all of the baked on water spots and stains with the glass top cleaner. I'm applying the cream evenly and letting that sit on for a little bit while I work on the spice cabinet. If you love how I organized my spice cabinet and would like to see more, I'll link that video down in the description. I have a few organizational videos planned, so make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out, and turn on that notification bell.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
The cabinets and counters weren't super dirty, so just using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray and giving them a quick wipe down. I love getting the new fall scents in the multi-surface spray. I love the apple cider scent and the orange clove for this time of the year.
But I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat. Somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never. Never say never. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy.
It's almost October and I haven't actually decorated for fall. I had a bunch of stuff that I used to use and I'm not really a fan of it anymore. And I want to get some good neutral pieces from Home Depot, but I'm looking to kind of redecorate the space a bit, so I'm not really sure what I want to get. I think next week I'll pop by Home Goods to see what they have, and then maybe stop by Target. Where are you guys getting your home decor? Let me know in the comments down below.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on.
Now I'm just tidying up the pantry. I didn't give the entire pantry a wipe down because only a few shelves get very messy day to day. So I just focus on the main three.
Song, hit it.
The oven is almost done. It looks so good. I'm taking out the shells and using a magic eraser to remove any dirt or grease. Next time I'll be using the Easy Off to give it a deeper clean, and then I'm taking a damp microfiber towel to wipe down the oven.
Never thought it existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side.
Seriously, the Easy Off, all you have to do is take this microfiber towel and it just wipes up everything from your stove. This one you can actually let sit for a little bit less than what I had it sit for, but if you leave it on for a little bit longer, it just penetrates the stains and the dirt so much faster.
You love me better than you. You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about. Tell me, do you really need me? I'm painting pictures and I'm dreaming about that good love and something that I know you cannot give me. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you.
We are almost done, you guys. In real time, cleaning took me about 3-ish hours, but it was so worth it. I'm wiping down the counters and vacuuming up the crumbs all on the floor to prep for mopping. I think I've said this in multiple videos, but I really want to get a steam mop to deep clean the floors. Let me know which one you recommend in the comments. I just feel like the mop and solution's not really cutting it.
To make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better. He can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better. He can do me better than you. Can love me better than you do. Yeah. Ooh. Can love me better than you. Love me better than you do. I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice.
And of course, it wouldn't be a clean with me if I didn't deep clean the sink. I do this every week or so with either the barkeeper's friend or some baking soda and some soap. I just feel like I need a very clean sink, and this really does the job.
Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done and spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us. Yeah, I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you.
Alright guys, that is the end for this clean with me. I hope it was super motivating and you got a lot of stuff done. Again, if you are new here, please subscribe. I'd love to have you, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It just helps small creators out like me, and I hope to see you in a couple of days in a brand new video. Bye!